Hello, and thank you for joining me today on The Political Conversationalist. My name is Ben Phipps, and we're continuing our category of videos called Political Philosophical Concepts, and I hope you're enjoying those. Today we're talking about a political concept that I talk about in my personal life almost daily, and it is the court of public opinion. Now, the court of public opinion is a court with no rules. It's a court with infinite jurors and lopsided prosecution. It's also a court with heavy-handed and unfair verdicts. The court of public opinion is also becoming increasingly popular, and I say that's mainly because of social media and how quickly we can spread information now as opposed to the past. And we've seen it all before. We've all seen the videos of police officers taking on 2001 flip phones, and we've all seen the pictures on Facebook of a kid who got bruised at school, and we've all seen the posts on Facebook and the tweets and even the YouTube videos of women claiming to have been raped or sexually assaulted, and they very well may have. I don't know their personal stories, but all these things, all these posts, all these allegations are trying to get you as the viewer to believe something. They're trying to get you to do something, and what they're trying to get you to do is to reach a verdict. But they never, almost never, give you enough information to accurately reach a verdict. They skirt the issue of proof by claiming to be an expert or by showing you photos and videos out of context. I saw a series of photos of a woman, normal pictures of a woman, and then her in the hospital with her face badly bruised or damaged, and the caption was just, her boyfriend beat her. And we're supposed to make that verdict in our mind that yes, her boyfriend beat her, when it very well could have been a car accident, it very well could have been a mugging, or very well could have been a home invasion. We don't really know what happened in that situation, but judging from what we have from the post, we just believe it because it appeals to our sense of empathy for the woman who was injured. It appeals to our emotions. Now, the kicker is this to me. These posts, or rightly calling them allegations, have real-world impact on the people who are accused, even if they are proven not to be guilty. You see, I read a story, and I linked it down below, of a man from New Jersey who was accused of raping a woman at some type of college frat party. Now, before anything was proven, this man lost his job and was expelled from Syracuse University. Medical exams determined that the woman who had accused him of this did not have any intercourse, violent or otherwise, on the night that she accused him of. So he's now suing for defamation, of course, to the tune of $6 million, and he probably won't win that case. But that woman has dramatically ruined his life. She has cost him his job and his education, and derailed his entire life by, as far as we can tell, lying, because the court of public opinion says we appeal to the empathy of this woman, we feel sorry for her because this happened to her, we believe that this happened to her, and we believe her story that this man did it to her. And all this is very eerily similar to me of the Brett Kavanaugh case. When Brett Kavanaugh, now Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh, was in the process of being confirmed for the Supreme Court, 3 women came out of nowhere and said that he assaulted them back in high school and college. Now, I don't know if the man from New Jersey who went to Syracuse University actually did rape this woman. I don't know if Brett Kavanaugh actually did assault someone. I can't prove either of those things, but neither can they. I can't prove their innocence, and I can't prove their guilt. So as a human, when we have less information than is possible to make a good decision, the best thing we could do is to withhold our decision. How do we fix this problem, though? It's not really something the government can fix. In fact, in some ways, the government is encouraging it. It's on us, and it's on you. You have to look for proof. You have to look for video evidence. You have to look for police reports. You have to look for the truth, and not just the emotion, not just the claim, and not just the court of public opinion and what they're trying to prosecute someone else with. Look for proof before you become the judge, the jury, and executioner in the court of public opinion. And I believe that's very important to all of us, because you never know, you might be the one on trial next. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.